So this is the 4th of July fucking Dairy Queen, whatever you want to call it. This is the 4th of July Dairy Queen thing. I don't know what it's called, but still. What the hell? Fucking shit. Yeah, let's stick a whole fucking popsicle in this bitch. Yeah, thanks. I eat this like I eat pussy. Also throw a little mixture of it, bitch. God damn. What is this, whipped cream? Give me some of that. This is finger food. Pretty good. God damn. This is more American than eating a freaking Frosty or whatever. Not even Frosty, a freaking Blizzard. With red, white, and blue and a freaking American popsicle in there, huh? Sounds nothing more American. Man, there's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to eat this bitch. I ordered a fucking large. And I'm already freezing.